Hi, my name's Phil and I live here with my wife Maria.
Hi.
And my son Gabriel, and this is May from our ID Meter Square. We were looking for a new home. We saw this place, loved the size of it, loved the outdoor space, but it did need a lot of work doing to it.
We did an online research and we found few interior designers, and we felt that out of all of them, Meter Square was the best. They showed us some designs and some photos, and they talked to us about what are their visions, and we actually love it.
After the discussion of the design part, we actually make a trip to come down to the house, and we take a look of the existing house, how is the thing look like. So from there, we actually propose what are the things that we should take out and what are the items that we should add on. So basically, come to the house, the condition are really very badly. I mean, we take out all the ceiling, we take out all the flooring, and then the bathroom, all the 3 bathrooms we actually remove. And also we hack off the kitchen to make it the kitchen as an open concept feel.
So the theme we were looking for was industrial, retro. We love the brick walls, remind us of our, some of the time in the UK and some of the old properties that we've stayed in. My favourite piece is the kitchen. I really like the kitchen, wouldn't change anything there.
Yeah.
I think the second favourite piece is probably the living area, opening up through the garden.
Yeah.
It's just a great place to chill out at the weekend.
It's the same with me. I love the kitchen the most, and the next is the living room because I love the brick walls. So when we open the doors, it feels like our house in Australia.
It's also really breezy. I think we've been really surprised. Yeah. We've been used to living in places where you have the aircon on all the time.
Yeah.
Here we don't have the aircon on at all downstairs, and you get a really nice breeze through, and with the fans it's great. So when we were doing the bathrooms, we found that a little bit hard, just trying to figure out exactly what it was that we wanted.
Yes.
And
we have different vision.
Yeah, different vision. Changed our minds a few times, but May came in to sort of help us
middle person that
set the direction.
Yeah. So one of my requirements in the master bedroom is to have a walk-in wardrobe. And I have a vision in mind. So when I spoke to May, she showed me some designs which I love. And then during the renovation process, we wanted to have a full glass door on the walk-in wardrobe. And we thought that technically we cannot make it.
At the end of the day, we actually managed to customize the full height sliding door to actually match a marine vision.
My recommendations for other homeowners, I think, would be to take some time up front, go through the magazines, cut the articles out of the magazines, the pictures that you like, put it all together, listen to your interior designer and trust your interior designer, I think.
We highly recommend Meter Square. It was great working with them, and they were very open to our ideas and to our vision. We faced some issues, but they were able to manage, solve the problems really well, and they go way beyond our request. It was great working with you, May.
Thank you very much. Actually, our big achievement is actually when we see the owner are happy with their new house.
Thanks again, May.
Thanks for everything, May.
You are welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.